Hey guys, super quick review. So I just got a package from Clear Jelly Stamper. It is my very first Clear Jelly Stamper order and I'm super excited. All I got was a couple plates, so I just wanted to show you what I got. And isn't the inside of this box so cute? I'm a sucker for packaging, so this is adorable. Okay. Aww. There's a cute little maple leaf candy. How cute is that? Oh my god, I love it. Ooh. Okay, so here's their card. And all of their social media information. And I watch a lot of Talia Nail Tales, and I used her discount code to order these, which saved me, I think it was 10 or 15%, I don't remember. But it was a little bit, so that's great. Every little bit helps. There's the cute little box. I'm such a sucker for packaging. So there's that, and oh, it's so exciting. So these are the two plates I got. Is the name on here of the plate. I don't see it on here. But I'll link it below in the description box. This is like their Western theme plate, and I got it for these steer skulls because I've got some girls asking for them, and I like that it's got a couple of different sizes here, which is really awesome. And then it's got a few other really pretty images on here. The moon, the stars there, and the leaves, and I really love these type of images. And of course these are like layering plates, so there's a lot of these images that layer with each other. And all the cacti, very cool. These little guys are cute. And the little gecko, that's very cute. So I'm excited to play with that. And then I got this one. It's like an outdoorsy camping one. Again, I don't remember exactly the names of the plates. I know they're named, but I will link them below. And this one is so pretty too. I think this is going to be really great this fall. It's got some camo images on it, which I've been dying to do camo nails, so now I can do that. And oh, this gorgeous wolf here. Some really cool prints. I think these are deer tracks, and these are probably like bear or wolf tracks. And a few more, layering images. You got your little tent for camping and your little RV. And this Jeep image is so cool. I've got a girl who's gonna love this, so I'm so excited to use these plates. Let me know if you guys want to see swatches of these plates, or if you just would like to see maybe some images of some manicures that I do with them. Kind of trying to get a feel for the kind of content you guys want to see on this channel, so leave your suggestions in the comments below. And yep, that is it for this one, guys. I just wanted to share real quick because I was very excited for my very first purchase from Clear Jelly Stamper. So I will talk to you all later. Bye.